Jennifer Davis, eXp Realty here. I'm standing in Carthage, capital city of Smith County, Tennessee. Let's walk around and see what Smith County has to offer. This is the eastern side of the Carthage Square. I have a locally owned lawnmower dealership. It's called Grasshopper. It looks like it's a Cub Cadet. Maybe it's part of DT McCall's. We're gonna walk in over here to DT McCall's. It's appliances. So if you're moving to Smith County, you're moving around Jackson County, you want to buy from local place, this is the place to go. It's DT McCall's and Son.